वो भागता रहा। He kept on running. He kept on running. मैं रोती रही। She kept on crying. She kept on crying. हम बातें करते रहे। We kept on talking. We kept on talking. हम सोचते रहे। We kept on thinking. We kept on thinking. तुम झूठ बोलते रहे। You kept on lying. You kept on lying. तुम्हारी आवाज अब मुझे आ रही है। You are audible now. You are audible now. तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही है। Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही। You are not audible. You are not audible. क्या मेरी आवाज आपको आ रही है? Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? मेरा कॉल मत काटना। Don't hang up. Don't hang up. यह अजीब लगता है। It sounds weird. It sounds weird. अब मैं और उससे बात नहीं करती। I no longer talk to him. I no longer talk to him. मैं अब ये नहीं खाती। I no longer eat this. I no longer eat this. मैं अब तुमसे और नहीं डरता। I am no longer afraid of you. I am no longer afraid of you. मैं कोशिश करती रही। I kept on trying. I kept on trying. गुस्सा मत करो। Don't get angry. Don't get angry. मैं गुस्सा नहीं कर रही हूँ। I am not getting angry. I am not getting angry. हम गुस्सा नहीं करेंगे। We will not get angry. We will not get angry. तुम गुस्सा कर रही हो। You are getting angry. You are getting angry. वह गुस्सा करेगी। She will get angry. She will get angry. वह गुस्सा करती है। She gets angry. She gets angry. उसने दरवाजे के पास एक कुत्ता देखा। He saw a dog near the door. He saw a dog near the door. उसको तैरना नहीं आता। He does not know how to swim. He does not know how to swim. उसने मुझे वह नियम समझाया। He explained the rule to me. He explained the rule to me. वह अपनी कब्र खोद रहा है। He is digging his own grave. He is digging his own grave. वह हर रोज बेसबॉल खेलता है। He plays baseball every day. He plays baseball every day. वह टेनिस बहुत अच्छा खेलती है। She plays tennis very well. She plays tennis very well. वह अचानक से मशहूर बन गई। She suddenly become famous. She suddenly become famous. वह अपने कमरे में रो रही थी. She was crying in her room. She was crying in her room. अपना अच्छे से ख्याल रखना. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. यह तो बहुत ही अच्छा सुझाव है. That's really a great idea. That's really a great idea. उसके हाथ पैर लंबे हैं. She has long arms and legs. She has long arms and legs. वह बुखार के साथ बिस्तर में लेटी हुई है. She is in bed with a fever. She is in bed with a fever. उसको कहानी पहले से ही पता थी. She knew the story already. She knew the story already. उसे अपना स्कूल बहुत पसंद है. She likes her school a lot. She likes her school a lot. उसने पिछले महीने टॉम से शादी करी थी. She married Tom last month. She married Tom last month. मेरी खुआ जी मेरे लिए फूल लाई. My aunt brought me flower. My aunt brought me flowers. मेरा बॉस हाँ नहीं कहेंगे. My boss will not say yes. My boss will not say yes. हमारी ट्रेन अचानक रुक गई. Our train stopped suddenly. Our train stopped suddenly. जहाँ भी रखना है रख दो. Place it wherever you like. Place it wherever you like. वह अपने कुत्ते को खिलाना भूल गई. She forget to feed her dog. She forget to feed her dog. मुझसे बात क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you talking to me? Why are you talking to me? मेरे लिए थोड़ा जगह बनाओगी क्या? Will you make room for me? Will you make room for me? कल मेरा जन्मदिन था. Yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday. तुम थक गई हो, है ना? You are tired, are not you? You are tired, are not you? मुझे बहुत दिलचस्प लगती है. It seems interesting to me. It seems interesting to me. सब लोगों के लिए एक समान है. It's the same for everyone. It's the same for everyone. वह बुखार से जल रहा था. She was burning with fever. She was burning with fever. उसने थोड़ी देर हिचकिचाया. He hesitated for a moment. He hesitated for a moment. वह मेरी पड़ोसियों में से एक है. He is one of my neighbor. He is one of my neighbor. उसे अपना स्कूल बहुत पसंद है. He likes his school a lot. He likes his school a lot. वह सबका मजाक उड़ाता है. He makes fun of everybody. He makes fun of everybody. वह अक्सर गिटार बजाता है. He often play the guitar. He often plays the guitar. वह अमेरिका से वापस आ गया। He come back from America. He come back from America. वह ज़्यादा तेज नहीं भाग सकता था। He could not run very fast. He could not run very fast. वह तुम्हें समझाता नहीं है। He does not understand you. He does not understand you. उसने खिड़की पर जोर लगाकर खटखटाया। He hammered at the window. He hammered at the window. उसके पास बहुत सारी इतिहास की किताबें हैं। He has many history books. He has many history books. तुमने कल क्या किया? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? तुम मुझसे क्या करवाना चाहते हो? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? तुम्हारा सबसे पसंदीदा खाना कौन सा है? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? हम उसे अपना हीरो मानते हैं। We regard him as our hero. We regard him as our hero. हम तालाब के आसपास टहले। We walked around the pond. We walked around the pond. आपकी रक्षा करना हमारा काम है। We are here to protect you. We are here to protect you. हम आपकी रक्षा करने के लिए यहाँ आए हैं। We are here to protect you. We are here to protect you. वह कितना नसीब वाला है। What a lucky person he is. What a lucky person he is. टॉम खुद को रोने से रोक ना सका। Tom could not help but cry. Tom could not help but cry. यहाँ 20 परिवार बसे हुए हैं। 20 families live here. 20 families live here. हम सब टॉम के लिए दुखी थे। We all felt sorry for Tom. We all felt sorry for Tom. हमने दरवाजे को हरे रंग से पोत दिया। We painted the door green. We painted the door green. आज मैं 4 साल का हो गया हूँ। Today I turned 4 years old. Today I turned 4 years old. टॉम अभी गाड़ी नहीं चला सकता। Tom is not able to drive yet. Tom is not able to drive yet. टॉम ने उसे आग से बचा लिया। Tom saved her from the fire. Tom saved her from the fire. अपनी अंग्रेजी सुधारने की कोशिश करो। Try to improve your English. Try to improve your English. वह काम से शहर से बाहर गया हुआ है। He's out of town on business. He's out of town on business. उसके कपड़े हमेशा बदबू करते हैं। His clothes always smell bad. His clothes always smell bad. वह कैंटीन में लंच खाता है। He eat lunch at a cafeteria. He eat lunch at a cafeteria. वह टेनिस अच्छा खेलता है। He is good at playing tennis. He is good at playing tennis. उसने अपने बेटे को कान से पकड़कर खींचा. He pulled his son by the ear. He pulled his son by the ear. उसने अपने ही घर को आग लगा दी. He set fire to his own house. He set fire to his own house. आपने कभी किताब लिखी है क्या? Have you ever written a book? Have you ever written a book? तुम्हारे गुलाब खिल गए हैं क्या? Have your rose come out yet? Have your rose come out yet? मैं कल तुमसे मिलने आया था. He come to see you yesterday. He come to see you yesterday. उसने पिछले साल स्कूल बदला था. He changed school last year. He changed school last year. अमेरिका में अंग्रेजी बोली जाती है. English is spoken in America. English is spoken in America. फुटबॉल मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा खेल है. Football is my favorite game. Football is my favorite game. तुम कभी अफ्रीका गए हुए हो क्या? Have you ever been to Africa? Have you ever been to Africa? तुम्हारे पास टिकटें बची है क्या? Do you have any tickets left? Do you have any tickets left? तुम्हें भाषण देना होगा क्या? Do you have to make a speech? Do you have to make a speech? क्या आपको पता है उसने क्या किया है? Do you know what he has done? Do you know what he has done? बच्चे को जबरदस्ती मत खिलाओ. Don't force the child to eat. Don't force the child to eat. खाना खाने के बाद दांतों को साफ करो. Brush your teeth after meals. Brush your teeth after meals. तुम उस ड्रेस में अच्छी लगती हो. You look nice in that dress. You look nice in that dress. वो जापानी है या चीनी? Are they Japanese or Chinese? Are they Japanese or Chinese? तुम यहाँ किसी से मिल रहे हो क्या? Are you meeting someone here? Are you meeting someone here? दक्षिण टर्मिनल कहाँ पर है? Where is the south terminal? Where is the south terminal? आप कहाँ बैठना चाहेंगे? Where would you like to sit? Where would you like to sit? तुम हमसे मिलने क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come visit us? Why don't you come visit us? मैं अब वहाँ नहीं जाता. इसका जवाब आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिए. और हाँ, वीडियो थोड़ा भी अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दें.